Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by confirming fabric tolerance and creating a safe workspace. Once done, use a hair dryer to warm the sticker for 20-30 seconds so the adhesive softens. You should test a small hidden area first to avoid damage, and then lift an edge with your fingernail or tweezers. Apply steady, gentle pressure and peel at a low angle. This reduces fiber stress. If the sticker resists, reheat briefly rather than forcing it, because heat loosens glue without stretching the cloth. Once most of the sticker is off, tackle adhesive residue by applying a small amount of dish soap or rubbing alcohol to the spot. You want minimal moisture to protect the fabric. Using a soft cloth or cotton swab, rub in small circular motions to lift the adhesive. Work from the outside in to avoid spreading. Make sure to rinse with cool water and blot dry to remove loosened glue and solvent. If residue persists, repeat application and rubbing, allowing solvents to sit for a minute to penetrate stubborn adhesive. You finish by laundering the garment according to its care tag, which removes any leftover solvent and restores fabric texture. Make sure the treated area is dry before washing. For delicate materials, switch to a labeled adhesive remover and test first, because stronger solvents can harm dyes. If you observe color loss or fabric weakening at any point, stop treatment immediately. Don't continue with more solvent. Instead, bring the item to a professional cleaner. This single troubleshooting tip prevents irreversible damage.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.